Welcome to Oak Point Farm. Hive 51 here is a cutout we did about 6 weeks ago. The comb that was removed from the existing colony was rubber banded into some empty frames. And as promised, here are some of those bands. The girls have chewed them loose. You can actually see that here on the end of the band. Anyhow, they were removing them from the colony. I'll see if I can give them a little help. There's more chew marks, as a matter of fact. There's a really good look at it, where they chewed on it to remove it. Alright, let's see if I can do this without infuriating them. Maybe, maybe not. Oh my goodness, look, they have shredded them. Isn't that amazing? Oh, that one's still stuck. I'll let them work on that one today. Wondrous little creatures. As always, thanks for watching. Until next time.